Good morning, my dear. I hope everyone is fine, going through all the directions that are given by teachers regarding the notes, videos, and the assignments. Students, today I am going to discuss cell reference and functions in Excel. Now, first of all, you have to know what is cell reference. Now, this is very important topic, my dear, which you cannot overlook in MS Excel. Understood? First, wait. First of all, you have to know what is reference. Reference, that means you just, in book also you have seen referencing. Understood? A reference to this site, reference to this book. A reference identifies a cell or a range of cells on a worksheet and tells where to look for the values or data you want to use in a formula. With references, you can use data contained in different parts of a worksheet in one formula or use the value from one cell in several formulas. You can also refer to cells on other sheets in the same workbook, to other workbooks, and to data in other programs. Cell reference appears in formulas, function, charts, and other Excel commands. Now, first, you have to know if I'm using the referencing, cell referencing, then in which way I can perform my task in MS Excel. See, student, referencing, when I'm saying that it is of three types. So three ways you can apply the referencing in your Excel. What are that three? First one is the relative, other one is the absolute one, and the next one is a mixed one. Yes, it is quite easy to understand what is relative, absolute, and mixed one. By default, when we use the formula, we use the relative reference. I will show you, my dear, because it doesn't fix any row or column. But when I'm talking about the absolute reference, here both are freezed. What both are freeze? Your column as well as rows are freeze. Even you use this formula, copy the formula and paste it, everywhere you'll be having the same row and column. I will show that also. And the last one is the mixed cell reference. It is what? It is the combination of both, where either your row or column, out of that anyone will be fixed. Now I'm coming to the sheet. Using the sheet, I will explain all the three types of references, that is mixed, relative, and the absolute one. Now, just now, see it on the screen. Now, let me open a file. Okay, I have opened. Let me clear that. Now, see, students, first of all, I have to use the sum. Okay, sum of m and n. Simple way to do it. Okay, I will not go for function, I will go for formula. Equal m2 plus n2. 190 has come. Please watch it carefully, my dear. Let me increase the size, zoom it so that you can pay attention. Okay, 190. When I copy and paste it, what happens? Can you tell me which type of referencing works? Relative. Here both are free. Just now you can see in the first one, just you see this formula bar. Okay. First one, it is showing 190 equal to M2 plus N2. These two cells are involved. Just I'm going to next one. What happens? Anything is changed? Your row number is changed. Earlier it was 2, now it is 3. Next one, your row is 4, 5. Then you will say, sir, why my column is not changed? Why it will be changed, my dear? Because you are working in the same column. But here I am going to, yes, give one example by which you can understand that how I can freeze my any either row or cell. These are my datas and I have to go for the relative, absolute and the mixed one. Okay, I will take only one cell because otherwise I will take more cells. You will not understand it. And here I'm going to take not the cells in a sequence. Equal E2, okay, plus F3 plus D4. These three in a diagonal way I have done this one. Now, next one, what I am going to do it, I will be using the same, okay, the same cells I will be using, but this time I'm going to change what? The referencing from relative to absolute one. Equal dollar E $2 plus $F $3 plus $G plus wait $G and then $4. And I'm going to use my last one, that is mix reference. Here $E $F3 $G4. Sorry, I have not used equal sign. Got it? Now what I am doing, my dear, I'm going to have some more datas now. 23, 34, 45, 67, some more datas. Now, got it? Now I'm going to copy these three and going to the next cell to paste it. Now, watch it, my dear. Here also I pasted, and in the next cell also I have pasted. Now you see, everywhere you see your values are changed. First, I will compare with this one. Equal E2, F2, G4. Now come to the second one. Equal F2, G3, H4. Watch it, my dear. Both my rows and columns, both are changed. Even in this one also changed. But think about the second one. Second one, I have used $E, $2, $F, $3, $G, $4. That is fixed. See, when I have moved from here to there, that is also fixed, and here also it is a fixed. Now come to the third one. Third one, which I have fixed only the column, but when I will go to the next cell, you will see the row number getting changed. You see, it is changed. You watch it, it is changed. Why it is changed? Because I have only fixed my column, not the row. Clear? Now the next part, that is function. You all are knowing what is function. These are the predefined functions which you can utilize in a Excel for making your work easier as well as faster. Now I'm going to show you first the function that I'm going to use, that is sum, equal sum. Now inside the parentheses you have to define the source and the target, not all your cells, only the source and the target. Now what is my source? E2 is my source. And what is my target cell? That is H2. It has come. Now you can use copy and paste it. Clear? Now if you want to find out the average, you know, total, and then how many cells you are utilizing, that you have to divide it, that number of cells, equal average E2 colon H2. Got it? The average, and paste it. I hope average is clear to everyone. Next one, count. Now one thing, let me write it here. Here I am involving this also. Ajay, Vijay, Raj, Suresh, Ankit, Rajiv. This is friend's name. Okay, now I'm going to use count. There are two functions. One is count and another one is count A. First, let me have a count. I'm counting this one from where? From D2. D2 colon H2. Now, can you tell me what will be the answer? Your answer will be 5. That means 5 cells are there. No. 4 will be there. Why? Because when you are using the count function, my dear, there your text is not involved. So you want know my text also to be counted. That means wherever I use my values and text, that all will be counted, and then it will give me the report. This number of cells are utilized here. Then what you will use here? You will use equal count A from which cell? D2 colon H2. Got it? 5. Now I'm going to copy and paste. Same it will be answer. Same it will be. Now the next function, that is your max and mean. If you want that maximum value, what is the maximum value that I have to find out? Then what you will use? Equal max. Okay, from E2 to H2. You know which one is the maximum one? Which one is the maximum one? Yes, out of this, 88 is the maximum one. So that answer you will be getting. Got it? You can use min function. Which one is the minimum one? Equal E2 colon H2. Minimum is 50. Clear? Many other functions are also there, like you have your yes, int function. Okay, so I have already done this one in horizontal. Now I'm going to work because lack of space there, so I will use here. Now equal int. Now first of all, you have to know why we use the int function. See students, it is used to round off a number to the nearest integer. I'm just showing you 1067.567. Now see what it is showing, 1067. It just overlook those all decimal places and round off this one as this. Okay, again I am showing you equal in 234.987. Now what happened? That also have been neglected. That means the decimal part has been neglected, and other whatever the integer part you have, that have been shown here. Now the next many functions are there. So main functions I am going to discuss, like square root. Like square root of 81, what will be 9? Okay, and very important function, that is round. Understood? Yes, that was in for the nearest one. That means whatever integer nearest part will be, that will be shown there. But in the round one, it will ask you up to which decimal places you want to have the round. Like I'm just saying you, just showing you 28.765. If I will round off up to 2 places, then what will be my answer? 928.77. Clear? But if it is 28.735, okay, then what it will be? 28.74. Up to which place? 2 places. But if the same value this one is, but I have to round off up to 1 place, then what will be my answer? 28.7. Because 3 is what? Cannot be round off, because if you have 5 or more than that, then it can be round off. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Now equal round 22.678, and now comma I'm using. Up to which places? I want up to 2 places. When I will use up to 2 places and enter key, my answer will be what? 22.68. Got it? Now again same thing, I am using same function, but here I am modifying, not up to 2, up to 1 place. Then what will be? 22.7. So I hope you have understood these all topics, my